Hey everyone, and welcome to another SEO tutorial. This one is actually an update from a tutorial that we did in early January of 2021 where Google was displaying, strangely enough, what looks like a small error when they were putting the years of business that a business had been in business. So we saw that the issue was, of course, they were showing less than 1 year in business. And that was back in January, early January of 2021. And now we are into the last week of January, actually I think January 26th, and we're seeing that now it's no longer showing like this in the maps nor in Google search. So we'll show you how it looks today. Okay, so here we are with the same search in January of 2021 on the 26th. So now if we do that same search, car repair New York, we see that it's no longer displaying that years in business. Right, and we'll do the same look over here in Maps. So here we are inside of Google Maps, and we see that it's no longer displaying those years of business, how long it's been open. So it looks like this was just a glitch for Google, but it may be a good insight to letting you know that in the near future, Google may be showing this. And of course, we know that Google is taking this information in. All right, so what's the takeaway from this? What's the SEO gain? Well, to know that we should have our Google My Business updated, even with something which may seem as small as the year that you opened, because Google may show this to the public. So it might help you in SEO, and at the same time, it might help you in marketing. If you missed that last video, we'll go ahead and put a link in that in the description. Thanks, and I hope this helps.